Subscribe to Highest Good, where we tell you your future.
Nice to have you back, Taurus. On Monday, if you want your love life to change from its current boring and predictable status into a lively and passionate affair, then you had better look to yourself to do something about it. The current astral environment means that you will have to take action and either initiate a conversation or make a few wise choices in order to get the relationship of your dreams. Be bold. This is a great day to begin targeting what you can and can't see yourself doing at this stage in your life. Try selecting the habits that you want to abide by and writing down the benefits they give to you. For example, flossing and brushing twice a day. Good oral hygiene preserves teeth, prevents gum disease, and eliminates bad breath. There is power in knowing what you want and what you will lose if you don't give yourself what you want. On Tuesday, having all the facts about a current love life situation is a good thing, especially now that the covetous moon mingles with Venus, your ruling planet, in your ninth house of big ideas. Exploring your romantic brainstorms can bring you inspiration for an almost foolproof plan of action. It's time to remind yourself of the power of your inner fortitude and trust in your own actions rather than continue to doubt your ability to be the master of your romantic domain. The vibe you're able to bring to a relationship will have a sweet effect on someone you're involved with at this time. That fact alone should make you feel good right now. On Wednesday, making your desires known to someone who is in a position to help you fulfill them can be an important step in your love life at this moment. Your acute intuition has always worked for you, but today it's more powerful than ever. There won't be any mystery in your heart about what you want, but just because you have psychic inclinations doesn't mean that the person you're involved with has them too. Asking for what you desire is important in any relationship, so don't think you can skip this crucial step right now. Communication is the key to sexy fulfillment. The balancing acts our body perform daily takes place in the kidneys, where the blood is cleansed of impurities. To learn about these and other nutritious substances, begin to eat healthy and begin to frequent the more conscious produce markets in your area. On Thursday, if you're feeling the unmistakable warmth of someone's romantic attention at this time, you're not imagining it. You possess the ability to make most people feel comfortable in your presence, and your authentic charm often acts as a love magnet. What begins as an interesting conversation with a friend could end up feeling like a flirtation today. Can there be more to a friendly collaboration than meets the eye right now? Stick around and find out. Don't worry about the minute details of what such a romance would bring. Give yourself permission to simply explore this feeling and look at the big picture of love's message to you. The body's need to eliminate waste is a need you are most probably aware of. When something is over or done, you usually want to move on. The two most important dietary measures to take to aid in waste elimination are drinking plenty of water and eating roughage. Big leafy green vegetables are wonderfully nutritious produce. There are also crisp apple varieties and dried fruits that are beneficial. Pay attention to how your body eliminates waste for information on what you need to eat. On Friday, the current aspect at play could indicate that a new relationship is about to come roaring in your life just when you least expected it. If you have been pursuing a lot of romantic options, then you may not know what has hit you until you are already smitten. You have probably been wishing for this on some level or another, so be glad when it happens. Think of exploring the terrain of healthy living as you would a foreign country. No matter what level you begin at, you will have new things to discover. Right now, you are especially open to the new. If you've always wanted to know the benefits of herbs and spices, a great way to start is with your nose in the bins at your local organic grocery store. Take a little time investigating names that look familiar and smells that completely surprise you. On Saturday, you may find the pace a little too demanding in terms of your love life, especially with the current celestial energy. If you had been hoping for a quiet evening in with that someone special, then you could be in for quite a surprise. They certainly have other ideas, which could mean a very demanding schedule. If you can't cope, you'll need a very good excuse. There's a lot on your plate today, but you have the ability to focus on more than one thing at a time, and this will help you get your work done faster. You'd so much rather concentrate on current matters of the heart, so you will have to be quite productive in the early hours of the day if there's any chance of engaging in some romantic fun later on. If you're in the position to do something active with a sweetheart tonight, make it happen, even if you have to do a virtual version over a video chat. It's an option. If you haven't danced in a while, this could be the night to change that. Dance to the point of breathlessness, it'll be invigorating. On Sunday, you may want to purchase some sort of book to increase your knowledge on health and nutrition. It's a wise person who knows the basic herbal and holistic practices that work for them as an individual. While you're looking at various books or talking to a knowledgeable friend, you may want to take an investigative peek at vegetarianism. It's a big subject, so just have a peek if it's new to you. The current astral energy makes you virtually invincible, which means you could be spoilt for choice in terms of suitable partners. It seems as though no matter what you do, say, or wear, you won't be able to put a wrong foot. People will find you rapturously attractive and will want to swarm around you to see if your charisma will rub off on them. Lucky you!
Money and career.
On Monday, if you are into studies, you will be able to gain success very easily. There are positive planetary indications that you will enjoy a very good financial position. In the love life, you will have some wonderful and fun-filled moments with your partner, even though the day is very busy. You may find yourself busy with traveling. There are possibilities that you could make an error in the financial transactions. On Tuesday, you will be particularly more courageous and determined from the beginning itself. There will be a good bonding between you and your brother. If there are any issues, they will be resolved with ease. You will be fortunate from the beginning of the day itself. You will gain a big success on the political and professional fronts. You should take the opinions of related people before taking any financial decisions. Your health may not be very bright during this time. You will get more stability in your health as well as in the business aspects too. There will be good progress in the residence and vehicle matters. On Wednesday, your parents will be particularly happy with your deeds. You will witness many happy and satisfactory moments in your marital life. You will be considered as a good householder by others. You will feel love and affection in your personal relations. You will be able to resolve the differences. You will have a fair deal of success in terms of finance and foreign matters. If you are ready to work overseas, it will be of progress for you, provided that you make the effort sincerely. You will get the possession of an ancestral property. On Thursday, there could be some unfavorable moments with regard to your health and personal relationships. You would need to work harder towards gaining a lead in the social front. There could be differences with your brothers. Luck will be very supportive of you. Your desires to move ahead in the social front would be fulfilled. You will regain good terms with your brother today in the second half. Your interest will increase towards religious rituals and social work. You will have a very pleasant time with your spouse and children. You will be able to enhance your intelligence if you are a student. Your love life will be smooth and romantic. On Friday, your facial beauty would be enhanced to a higher level. You will show a lot of affection to your spouse and children. There will be a great deal of success in the business and service sectors. Any property related decision will bring a good deal of profit. The differences of the past with your parents would be resolved. There will be a satisfactory growth in the foreign areas and investments. If you are involved into competitions and sport areas, you should not reduce your efforts towards your goals. It is possible that you might have a hectic time in the distant places. You may face some minor health issues. On Saturday, there will be arguments over insignificant issues in your personal life. You will be more interested towards religious worships and pilgrimage. You may get a big success. Today's day is favorable to repay the pending debts or loans of the past. There will be a good news related to the investments and foreign affairs. If there are any legal cases, you may expect a bigger lead today. Minor ailments might shoot up to give you some trouble. There will be a pleasant atmosphere in your personal life. You will enjoy higher energy levels and a stronger health. You will be in a better position with respect to job and business. You will be able to enjoy a good time with your children and spouse. On Sunday, if you are into a business partnership or in the service sector amidst an organization, there are high chances of success. Your health will be better than before today. There are positive indications of ending disputes with your parents. There could be loan-related worries in today's second half. It will be a favorable initial phase to repay the pending debts or loans of the past. There will be a good news related to the investments and foreign affairs. Minor ailments might shoot up to give you some trouble. There will be a pleasant atmosphere in your personal life. At your workplace, the atmosphere will be really good and everybody will bond very well.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.